Still struggling with a creative customization business? Come on! This DTF 60 cm wide format press. Large quantities of patterns are handled with ease. Roll-to-roll supports unlimited lengths of continuous printing, doubling the efficiency of your bulk orders. Equipped with Epson XP600 dual print heads. Intelligent temperature control system, so that the white ink melting uniformly. From now on to say goodbye to the white ink reflux, faults. Built-in automatic ink circulation mixing system. 24-hour dynamic anti-sedimentation, solving the trouble of clogging the nozzle. Whether you are a startup or a mass production company, this A2 size dual print head DTF prints your business layout with consistent high quality.
Yes!
Upgrade now and unlock unlimited productivity. What are you waiting for? Contact us for a quote now. Let's use your creativity to turn it into money.